Alright YouTube fam, so like I said in my intro, today we're going to do a flexi rod set using the horseshoe method. Now if you're not familiar with the horseshoe method, what it is a method created by another YouTuber. Actually, her name is CurlDaze, and what it is that instead of using one section of hair for one flexi rod, which causes you to have a whole bunch of flexi rods in your head and have you look like this, with the horseshoe method, what you do is take a flexi rod and you bend it in the middle so that it looks like a horseshoe. Get it? Duh. And you can actually use two sections of hair for one flexi rod. So you put one section of hair on this side and one section of hair on this side. If it's not making sense to you right now, don't worry sis, I'm gonna show you. I got you, okay? So first things first is we're going to need flexi rods. Alright, now that you got all your flexi rods together, you're going to need a styling product. Now for my styling product, I'm going to use the Wetline Xtreme gel, which is my old faithful. I'm using gel because, y'all, my hair is strong as hell. I ain't lying to you. My hair be fighting back, my hair be throwing bows, like it just does everything. So I need something strong that's gonna, you know, hold it down, because in all honesty, my hair be like, and I ain't lying to you. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so as you see here, I have my hair divided into 4 sections, and that's just to make it easier to handle. And from this one section, I'm going to part a smaller section that I actually want in the flexi rod. Okay, and from that one section, I'm splitting it into 2 smaller sections because, like I said before, with the horseshoe method, we're using 2 sections of hair on one flexi rod. And right here, I'm just detangling it with my brush and adding my product and water so that way the hair can be as smooth as possible before applying it to the flexi rod. And now with using the horseshoe method, you want to make sure that you start applying the hair from the inside of the flexi rod and work your way out. And while you're applying your hair to the flexi rod, make sure your hair is as flat as possible, flat and smooth. And if you're having problems with your ends sticking to the flexi rod, just add some more water and product and your ends should stay then. And as you can see, doing the other section, I'm starting again from the inside of the flexi rod. And this way it just makes it easier for you to take the flexi rod down later. As you can see here, I was struggling. I couldn't get my hand grip right, but I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Okay, and we have one flexi rod down and however many to go. So what I'm going to do is shut up and let you guys watch the rest of it while you listen to some music.
Alright, y'all, so that was the quickest Flexi rod set I've ever done. And when I tell you, I'm like the queen of Flexi rod sets. I used to kill these back when I was transitioning. And this was so quick, it took me like an hour and 15 minutes. And if this comes out right, I'm going to be using my Flexi rods. I'm going to be doing my Flexi rods like this, like, forever. But anyway, I'm about to go sit up under the hooded dryer and I will be back to take them out. Alright guys, it's the next day. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. I just woke up. So what had happened was I sat up under the dryer for like an hour and a half, 2 hours. And my hair was still wet. Which is why I figured that out when I took these out. When I took the front part out. And the curls weren't popping. It was like loose and it was still wet. So like I said, I was like, I'm just going to let this air dry overnight. So here we are. So I'm going to try to take the rest of these out and hopefully they dry by now. So I'm going to use my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine to coat my hands when I take them out. And we're going to see how it goes. Okay, y'all, I am not feeling this. I look like a dang black Shirley Temple. So what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to go off camera and try to see if I can fix this. Try to see if I can like spruce it up, do a little something, cause y'all, I look crazy. Look how short it is. And then the back's still wet, but I didn't have time to let it dry because I have to go to work. Like, this is looking like a fail. But anyway, let me try to see if I can save it. And I will see you guys later. Y'all, I tried. I'm not feeling this Flexi rod set. And it might just be because I'm too picky. Like, it's alright, but it's not what I wanted. So, what I ended up having to do is I went ahead and put it in the pineapple to try to stretch a little bit because I also had to go to work. So I put it in the pineapple while I was at work, came home and tried to separate it some more, try to stretch it out, get a little bit more length. I pinned this side back to help it do a little something, but I just don't like it. It's way too frizzy for it to be the first day. Like, I don't know. And I feel like it's not really defined. I don't know. I mean, it'll get me through the day. Oh, y'all see my cat snoring? He's asleep though. Look. Anyway, it's frizzy as hell. It's so frizzy. But whatever. I tried. Will I do the horseshoe method again? No, probably not. I feel like I had way better Flexi rod sets doing the regular method than doing this dang horseshoe method. I don't know. Maybe I just effed up this time, but I don't know. But hey, I tried. Y'all let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe so you can join the Curly Candy crew. And I will see you guys next time, hopefully in a video that won't be a fail. Bye.